Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix an Aura frame black screen in 2026. So a black screen often means that the frame is not getting proper or stable power. So you need to first of all make sure that the power cable is firmly connected. You need to use the original Aura adapter only. You can try a different wall socket and check if any LED light turns on. If there is no light, it's highly likely that the issue is with the power. Now, sometimes the screen goes black due to a temporary software freeze. So you can just simply unplug the frame from the power, then simply wait for 30 to 60 seconds. After this time duration, you just have to plug it back in and wait for it to reboot fully. Now, Aura frames can dim or turn off the display in low light conditions. So you can move the frame to a well lit area, tap the frame to wake it up, and then adjust the brightness from the Aura application. You can also disable the auto brightness option if it is needed. Now, if none of the methods are working for you, you can just simply do a quick reset. For that, you just have to simply locate the reset button, which is going to be over here. So after using a pin, you just have to press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds, then wait for the frame to restart. After restarting it, you just have to set it again using the Aura application. So that's how basically you are going to fix an Aura frame which is not working properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.